Hello kids! Welcome to Nina Kids TV. Today, we are going to learn some special words that end with A. T. Let's read them, say them, and even learn how to spell them. Are you ready? Let's go. Word 1, cat. The first word is cat. Say it with me, C. A. T. Cat. Cat is spelled C. A. T. Cat. Word 2, bat. The next word is bat. Say it with me, B. A. T. Bat. Bat is spelled B. A. T. Bat. Word 3, rat. Here's a little rat. Say it with me, R. A. T. Rat. Rat is spelled R. A. T. Rat. Word 4, hat. Wow, look at that hat. Say it with me, H. A. T. Hat. VO, hat is spelled H. A. T. Hat. Word 5, mat. Here's a mat. Say it with me, M. A. T. Mat. Mat is spelled M. A. T. Mat. Word 6, SAT. The word is sat. Say it with me, S. A. T. Sat. Sat is spelled S. A. T. Sat. Word 7, PAT. And the last word is pat. Say it with me, P. A. T. Pat. Pat is spelled P. A. T. Pat. Great job, kids! Today we learned 7 AT words: cat, bat, rat, hat, mat, sat, and pat.
Yay!
You did amazing! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nina Kids TV for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.